Do you play games on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Ever wonder where the game booster panel went or how to access it faster? Let me show you how to unlock its power no matter your navigation style. First, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Scroll down the screen. Next, tap Game Booster Settings. Under In-Game Panel section, tap Where to access the in-game panel. Here's where it gets interesting. What you see depends on your navigation setting. If you are using button navigation like this, you will see these two options, navigation per button. This adds a small game booster icon on the bottom left of the navigation bar when a game is running. Tap it to open the panel. Shortcut bar. This places a small black handle on the edge of the screen, like this one. Swipe it inward to open Game Booster during gameplay. When you are using swipe gesture, for the in-game panel option, you will see notification. This places the Game Booster panel in your notification panel while you are in a game. Swipe down to access it. And shortcut bar, it gives you the same like you had with the button navigation. So depending on how you use your phone, buttons or gesture, you can choose the Game Booster access method that works best for you. This helps you quickly capture screenshot, change performance mode, and optimize your gaming without missing a beat. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.